Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, backup camera, heads-up display, trip computer, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.